This video should really have happened a lot earlier because this person is very special to me. That's Ammama, my dear friend Meenu's mom, who is more than a mother figure to me. Every vacation when Adi came down from boarding school, there she'd be at our doorstep with appam batter and her delicious stew. So the chicken stew I'm making today is simply called Ammama's stew. Here's what we have. 500 grams of chicken, ginger garlic crushed, 2 medium onions sliced, green chilies, a tomato, a medium potato diced, that's the spices, and this here is the coconut milk. We have a thick coconut milk and a thin coconut milk. That's salt, oil, and to temper finally, we're going to use some fresh ground pepper and curry leaves. What we're going to be doing is warm the oil, put in the spices, the onion, green chili, crushed ginger garlic and tomatoes, add a little salt and let it cook for a bit. Then drop in your chicken and a little more salt. And when the water from the chicken's almost evaporated, you add your potatoes and the thin coconut milk and let it all cook very well. Then pour in the thick coconut milk and finally temper with freshly crushed pepper and curry leaves. Here's how I made the coconut milk. There's 2 well-packed cups of grated coconut, to which I added 2 cups of water, blended very well and strained. And that's our thick coconut milk. Then I put the strained residue back again in the blender, added another 2 cups water, repeated the process, and that's our thin coconut milk. If you're using store-bought coconut milk, just go ahead and use water instead of the thin coconut milk. It'll work just as well. The oil's warmed. That's the spices, onion and green chili, ginger garlic, tomato, and some salt. And we want to let it all cook for a little. That's cooked enough. We add the chicken. More salt. Give it a good stir. Yeah. Close the pan and turn the flame to medium. Yeah, the water is evaporated. Here's the potato. And the thin milk. Let's close the pan and cook till the chicken and potato is well done. Let's take a look. The chicken and potato is well cooked. That's the thick milk. And I'm going to keep the flame on simmer as we temper the pepper and curry leaves. That's the pepper, the curry leaves, and turn the flame off. But we're not quite done. Let's take a few pieces of chicken out. There's some coconut oil that I warmed. That's curry leaves. The chicken we took out from the stew. some chili powder, and salt. And we have a fried chicken too. Ammama's yummy chicken stew and our chicken fry is done. Now let me go serve dinner. So when your family asks, what's for dinner tonight? Bring out the chicken stew and pathiri and then surprise them with a chicken fry as well. Happy cooking! Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do comment, subscribe, share and click on the bell icon to receive notifications.